Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to fix Facebook can't send friend request in 2024. To solve this problem, the very first thing that you should do is check on your internet connection. So if you're using your Wi-Fi and is not stable, you can also use your mobile data and see which one between the two is going to work better for you. And the other thing is maybe you have sent so many friend requests and Facebook is thinking that you are bored. So all you need to do is take a gap of maybe 5 to 1 hour and then send the friend request. The other thing is maybe the person that you're sending the friend request to have blocked you or maybe restricted you. So there is no way you can send the friend request to that person. And the other thing that you should do is go to your Play Store, search Facebook, yeah, there. So if you're having option here to update your Facebook, you should do that. You update it to the latest version. And if you are not having that option, like mine, you can go to your settings, yeah, here, tap on apps, Facebook. So you can force stop the app and also you can clear cache. So you can see clear storage, yeah, clear, tap on clear, and it's successfully cleared. So, and that's all for this video guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.